Hey there, it's Alex from WTI. It can be difficult to find a good non-alcoholic alternative to your favorite drink. But Whissin has made a non-alcoholic whiskey that smells and looks like whiskey. As soon as you open the cap, there's no doubt that this product is indeed a solid replica of the real stuff. It's got a sweet smell to it and can be served on its own or in a mixed drink. Because of its being on the sweeter side, I would recommend trying a recipe that has more bitters or drier ingredients, like a Sazerac or a Manhattan. My favorite way of using it is to make your classic rye and Coke, or in this case, non-alcoholic Whissin and diet soda. I like that the bottle looks just like any other whiskey bottle, so it doesn't stand out among the crowd. Mocktails are increasing in popularity these days, so it's a nice non-alcoholic alternative to have for your guests or yourself. You can use it in the same way and in equal parts for any mocktail recipe. This drink by Whissin would be a great and useful non-alcoholic alternative to have on hand, and that's my point of view.